Is it on? Yeah. Hello, everyone. It's me again, taking a Sunday stroll. So today I'm over here in Pavia of Lombardy. It's a city that is not talked about too much, but it's beautiful. I'll tell you that. Look at that backdrop. It's a city that is south of Milan, about 35 kilometers away. It's a significant city, has a lot of landmarks. One of them is actually behind me. It's called Puente Coperto, and we can learn about its charms. It has a couple of places that I want to visit, one of them being a Duomo, which is considered one of the biggest in Europe. So it can rival the Duomo di Milano. I'm definitely in a place where not too many people get to see. So I just want to share a little bit of what I see and hopefully motivate people to visit Italy and explore and take advantages of all its charms and beauty. Let's start by taking a stroll crossing this bridge, and then we take it from there. Fairly new to this, making videos, sharing my experiences with people. Hopefully you enjoy my videos. Feel free to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up when you enjoyed it. Hit the bell button. Really helps grow my channel, so I can continue bringing videos to you guys. It's not cheap. The moment you leave your house, you spend money. Again, I enjoy doing this. I enjoy traveling. And hopefully in the future, I can visit many, many other places in Europe and show everyone the beauty. It's an amazing country.
La tua lingua si scioglie, abbi fiducia e invoca forza, e fa che vedendo dentro di te tu abbia a rivedere te stesso e le dinamiche della tua vita.
Parlo con la signora più sbrigativa che con la...
Sì, no, perché uno poi... Io mi vedo anche quello del viaggiatore.
Diciamo che è di Fabio oggi è fuori
Ti piace? Tienitelo su, misuriamo quella. Quello che ti piace?
Okay, so it's mezzogiorno and I've been walking all day. Let's see, what did I see? I saw El Duomo, but I read that it's as big as the Duomo di Milano. Oops. But I don't quite agree with that. It doesn't look as majestic as the Duomo. I'm over here. I walk through the center of town. Typical Italian town. They all look the same to me. I'm sorry if I offend anyone, but it's just to the untrained naked eye, or shall I say untrained eye, it's like they all look the same. They all have the same kind of format, same architecture, a lot of churches, but they are beautiful. They are beautiful. I saw a couple of street artists performing. That was cool. I went by the university. Not much there to see. It's just been a lot of walking like always. But I'm over here in the Castello now, and this looks nice. Let me turn you around so you can see. This looks old. Definitely looks old. I would love to know the history behind this. But this is huge. This is more impressive than the Duomo to me. But again, to each their own. This is nice. I like it. I love to see ancient relics. It's amazing, you know. It's amazing to wonder the man-hour that are behind building such a structure. It's definitely impressive. A lot of sweat and tears, a lot of bricks. But again, very, very nice. We got some ragazzi fooling around. This is lovely. I can see myself bringing my kids here, have a picnic, or maybe come with your girlfriend, spend some quality time, do a little French kissing. Yeah, I like this. Let me see if we can go inside so you can see. I like it. I saved this for last. I was very near when I got here, but I was like, no, let's go check out the bridge and then go check this out. Whoa, this is massive. I wonder who lived here. Again, I'm no historian. I have noticed that I can read something and I have horrible short-term memory, so I cannot tell you much about the place. Maybe I'll do some voiceover and tell you more. But this is nice. This is lovely. Let's check it out. Okay, so this must be some type of museum, but today's Sunday, so most likely it's closed. Too bad. I would have loved to go in. Okay, so it is a museum. It's called Musei Civici Pavia, Castello Visconteo. Castello Visconteo. It costs $10 to go in, 10 euros, sorry. And I don't know, it's a lot of paintings, exhibits, art, but they won't allow me to record, so I don't think it's worth for me paying 10 euros if I cannot record and show you guys. She told me that I can take pictures, but I cannot record. So I don't know the difference. I mean, if I can take pictures, why can't I record? I mean, I'm just trying to show people what they have, and perhaps maybe attract some traffic this way, because I don't know, it looks kind of dead, to be honest, but whatever, it is what it is. So I'm done with Pavia. Not much to see. It's a nice town, yeah, quiet, tranquillo, più tranquillo. No, non mi piace. Oh yeah, that's my train. So I'm living in a moment. It was an experience. It's good to see new places, but I'm still searching for the ideal place to live. This is definitely not it. I mean, I'm not so much of a outgoing person, but I like to have options whenever I feel like it. So far, on my top lists, Milan, but it's too expensive. Second place, Torino. Definitely Torino or Turin. Turin is the place to be at. We got everything pretty much that you get in Milan, and not as expensive as Milan. So let me put this video together for you guys, and so you can be the judge. All right, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and place a comment if you feel like it. Peace.